BD6, back pressure regulator, holds upstream inlet pressure until it is greater than set dome pressure. With no pressure on the dome, the valve will let any inlet pressure through the back pressure regulator, known as normally open. When pressure is placed on the dome, the valve will be closed until the dome pressure is exceeded by the inlet pressure. Pressure will push the elastomer disc off the machine seat, and overpressure will pass through the back pressure regulator while maintaining inlet pressure. For example, if you put 10 psi on the dome, pressure above 10 psi will flow through the back pressure regulator, and upstream inlet pressure is maintained at 10 psi. Downstream of the back pressure regulator, the excess liquid or gas is either collected in a reservoir or vented.